we're about to have a fun day at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Bright and early this morning, we're doing Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and then Rise of the Resistance. We're going to hit lots of fun rides today, so you're going to want to stick around for that. All right, it's time for some Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Let's get it.
Nothing can stop us now. It's been a day in the countryside.
Perfect picnic. We'll sing a song.
Hi, Goofy.
Tell me, you going late for a picnic?
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks.
Hello there.
How you doing?
Hey, Mick and Mim.
Sure you can push there, aren't we?
Gosh, better thing. What could possibly go wrong?
They're running wild.
Just let him get away.
Hooray! Step on up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Look on! There they are!
We'll be right down.
We have to stop them before they go over them!
Now, let's color.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm
Here we are, back in the barn. Come back and see me again real soon, okay?
Love Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. That's a fun one. And the best part about that ride for me is that it like changes every time you go through it. And what I mean by that is like your experience is different than like if you're in the first car, the second car, or whatever. You see different animations, and that's the coolest part about that ride for me is it's always like fresh and different, and it all depends on what car you end up getting set in. But anyway, we're gonna head over here to the animation courtyard and see if we can see what time the new Little Mermaid show is going on. So let's check it out. We thought we were gonna see the Little Mermaid because it was like a show was like right now, but the theater was full. So we're gonna try again later. It's like looks like 30 minutes or so. So there'll be other options throughout the day, but we got Rise of the Resistance. We don't want to miss that. Disney is sure is going hard with the DVC kiosks. There's one that popped up back here, right in front of Toy Story Land. I don't remember that many DVC booths being around, but like, hey, if you're into DVC, there's lots of places to sign up. We made it back to Toy Story Land, and just like that, we're shrunk down to the size of toys. That's why everything's so huge back here, because we're toy sized. Also,
Wow,
Andy's footprint is right here.
We've got a
Pretty
whole bunch
huge,
of new
huh?
toys to play with. Welcome.
We didn't get a lightning lane for this one, dang it. But the line usually in the mornings is wrapped around the building, so go take a peek at the wait time, but I'm guessing it's pretty tasty. But I love this lane, especially at night, because all the Christmas lights come on. It's very colorful and whatnot. Hey, there's Woody and Jesse, and Jesse's over there. Okay, 75 minutes is a little tasty right now, but we'll see if we can get a lightning lane for it later. Otherwise, we might not be riding it this time, but we've ridden it many times. It's a fun ride. Get a chance, check it out. As a part of Cool Kids Summer, they're starting to have like a lot of characters walk around now. And they got the Green Army Drum Corps over here. Huh. That's pretty cool. So I got the breakfast Ronto wrap here. It's like sausage, egg, cheese with a peppercorn sauce. Oh my god, this is the best thing on the menu. I like it better than the regular Ronto wraps. If you get here early enough, definitely try it. Back here at Ronto Roasters. It's delicious. The marketplace is always so cool. The guy's got a porg over there. I mean, it is pretty cute though. Lots of cool Star Wars merch back here. And some of the coolest bathrooms in the park right back there. Oh, they got the construction walls up. You can sort of see Muppets back there, ROP, but Mike and Sully are right there letting us know that this is what it's going to look like when their ride comes. I don't know. I have mixed emotions about this because I love the Muppets so much, but this area has felt like a little stale and like Disney hasn't really cared about it for years, so I'm kind of glad it's getting like refurbed because there isn't a whole lot of actual rides here at Hollywood Studios. So adding this back here will help out, I think, and I think it'll be a fun addition. Okay, it's time to go. Join the Resistance. Don't tell Kylo, you know, but we're going to join the Resistance.
Thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batuu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Fucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Fucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Rey, I have been tasked with getting you to Fucara. There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First Order TIE Fighters! Reroute!
Star Destroyers.
Get out of there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you.
Attention, Resistance conspirators. This cargo vessel is now under the command of the First Order. You will exit and prepare yourselves for processing and interrogation. Now all of you out, and make it quick.
Can't man his face.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
We're with the Resistance. We're gonna get you out. Let's go.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Oh no, we're in trouble.
Wait, you go to the bridge.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Take cover, recruits. If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why are you going up? I said down. Up is bad. Up is real bad.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Down the arms! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all Resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. Just as short as a blast.
Your efforts are wasted. Precious Resistance is about to be destroyed.
escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
That was fun saving the galaxy. We ate some chicken tenders at Backlog Express. And I think I forgot to mention that Figment's on my shoulder, but he's been there all day, you know? We're just riding around Hollywood Studios. Checking out Echo Lake over there. Gertie. Really pretty through here. Heard anyone walking down Sunset here, off to the Hollywood Tower. Like someone referred to their Disney resort as a motel. I haven't actually heard anyone refer to their Disney resort as a motel before. I don't know. Do you guys call it a hotel or motel? I call it resort, but what do you call it? Also, do you guys like the Hollywood Tower Hotel? Do you ride the Tower of Terror anytime you're here? I don't know. Chrissy loves it. Me and the kids, I don't know. Lukewarm on it. Although Lauren said no. She's a hard no. But anyway, what do you think? Drop it down in the comments. Also, the Muppets are going to be taking over Rock and Roller Coaster. I don't know what it's going to be called, but not Rock and Roller Coaster by Aerosmith anymore. I personally don't like the idea of putting an IP like the Muppets in a roller coaster, but I don't know, maybe it'll turn out amazing. What do you guys think? We're about to see Villains and Fairly Ever After, hopefully, if we get in. This is the sea of humanity in front of us. But the theater's pretty big, so we'll see. I don't know if we can record it there, because when it was the Lightning McQueen show, we couldn't record it there. So if we can't, I'll just tell you how it was afterward. That was a cute show. I liked it. I liked it better than the Lightning McQueen thing that was there before, so that's good. I did think it was kind of funny how they had you had to choose the most misunderstood villain or whatever. And I feel like Maleficent won based on the crowd cheering and stuff like that. But they had Cruella, so I feel like it was a little rigged, but it was still a cute show. I'd highly recommend seeing it. It's really fun. And the theater is pretty huge and nice and air conditioned, so win-win. Check it out if you're here at Hollywood Studios. We're finally about to get on here, guys. There was a little bit of a delay in this one. Our Lightning Lane took about 20 minutes, but they did say there was a delay. I don't know what happened. I'm saying someone got sick on the ride or stuck on the ride. One of the two, but I have to put you away because I gotta focus and dominate. See you afterwards. Well, Nathan was the winner at Toy Story Midway Mania. We should have guessed because he's really good with the video games, you know? But anyway, we have a Lightning Lane now for Smugglers Run, so we're going to go check it out, see if we can get on, and then we might run away because it is a scorcher out here today. Scorcher.
Oh no, those are very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as Harry, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there.
We made it on the Millennium Falcon. Everybody's getting lined up, ready to go on the mission. Can't really record it because it's a virtual ride, so I'll see you after. We had a good time on the Millennium Falcon. We actually got two things at coaxium this time, so I felt like that was better than usual. I think we're heading out, but of course we had to get a blue milk before we left because, you can't leave Planet without trying the milk. And actually, the blue milk is way better than the green milk, in my opinion. This one kind of tastes like Fruity Pebbles almost. But it's pretty delicious and refreshing on a hot day like this. But anyway, let's head to the front of the park. So anyway, we had a great day at Disney's Hollywood Studios. I hope you enjoy coming along with us on our adventures. This is one of our favorite parks for the theming. We love the Star Wars a lot, and the Toy Story stuff is awesome. So we're going to cut our day a little short though. We had alien swirly saucers here a little bit, but those clouds look angry, so we're going to try and make it back to the resort before it starts raining. So we're going to go ahead and cut our day short here. And the main reason is we have to get ready because we have a cruise tomorrow, so we have to get all of our stuff ready and packed to go for that. But that'll be another video, our embarkation day video. Watch out for that one. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and wrap this one up here, but make sure you hang out a little bit longer because we'll have some end cards and video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you got something out of this video, or you just want to help keep the show on the road, consider clicking that super thanks button. Anyway, oh, it just heard some thunder. Anyway, you choose to support the channel, I really appreciate it. Alright everyone, love to know who made it this far of the video. If you did, say an amazing day at Disney's Hollywood Studios down there in the comments. Let me know you made it this far of the video. Alright everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.